guys, so today I'll be making a paper fan. It is very easy and it can be made even by a child. So let's get started. First we need 3 small strips of paper. Here are the 3 stripes, and now we'll fold all the 3 stripes into half. Now put these stripes one on the other in a crisscross style. This will go right here inside this one. This will again go inside this one, and this last one will also go inside this one. And tighten all the stripes. It's ready. Now what we'll do, we'll take a pencil, put it here, so this is the fan, paper fan. Thanks guys. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on that bell notifications.